Hello everybody, this is my ILG UA-205 ILGJET box fan. It's an 18-inch model with 3 speeds and it's mounted on a tilting floor stand. These came in a few different models which look and run identical to one another. Some were made for residential use such as the Windowaire and the Rollaire, while some models seemed geared towards industrial use such as the ILGJET or the Dualaire. When I was growing up in the 1970s, I used to see fans like this mounted over the doors of supermarkets and schools. I think it's a later model due to there being no venturi shroud around the blades. The motor is actually front mounted on these fans, and this one appears to have a Fasco motor. It is likely a 1/20th horsepower model, which is surprising considering that it has to drive these heavy blades. This fan is also equipped with a speed coil to provide the lower speeds. And the badge in the center of the grille seems to be common to many of ILG's box fans. And they are of course all equipped with this Bakelite or thick plastic blade, which is very heavy and has a distinctive look which makes me think of H.R. Geiger's Alien sketches. The grills are a tightly woven wire mesh. We're now going to show the side of the fan. And you can see it's got these adjustment knobs which are common to all of these. We'll turn it around and show you the back really fast. And yeah, that intake side of that blade is a rather mean looking thing. You definitely wouldn't want to be a small bug or bird getting caught in the slipstream of that thing.
While we were looking at the back of this fan, I wanted to provide some information to a couple of YouTubers who were missing some parts that fasten the blades to the motor shaft and prevent the blades from moving rearward. My fan has this little plate or washer fastened with a Phillips screw. This could be a reverse thread type, but I've never removed it yet myself. You might be able to fabricate something that would work though.
We're going to go ahead and turn this fan back around now and give a demonstration of it. So we're going to go through the speeds, and we'll start off on high. And this takes a little while to spin up and get going. And as you can tell from the wind blast, it moves a pretty decent amount of air. We'll now go to medium speed. And there's a pretty dramatic step down between medium and high. And we'll now go down to low speed. And as you can see, low is very slow and very quiet. Yet the fan is still circulating a pretty decent amount of air. And we're now going to go back up to high speed. And we'll shut it off and watch the coast now. We'll now get in closer to do the startup sound. We'll now do startup on high. Startup on medium. And startup on low. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll have more to come. So stay tuned. Later.